Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have something really cool and something that's not typically Hot Wheels. Is actually the Jada brand, or Jada, however you say it. But we have a brand new set and it is the Back to the Future. It's kind of like the Hill Valley Courthouse kind of scene with the courthouse clock tower getting struck by lightning. So it's like that whole scene. And this set is really cool. I know recently some people have seen like the Back to the Future sets they've done. And some of these sets are just amazing scenes from awesome movies. There's a few different Fast and the Furious ones now, and they were awesome. But this one literally like just came out. And if you guys are interested in picking up one of these, I will say there is a link in the description down below. You can pick it up on Amazon. It does come with the standard car from the second movie and the Toyota pickup truck. However, I did also pick up one of these on Amazon where it has a car from the first, second, and third movies. And it is really awesome being able to have kind of like the three different variants of it. So you have like the standard, you have the hover mode, and then you have... It's actually not the wagon wheel version, but it is like the kind of like the red rim kind of style. I don't know if you can see that. I will be opening these in this video so you guys can see a little bit more of exactly what these cars look like. But also I'm going to be opening and setting this up in the video as well. So I'm really excited to bust into this. And Back to the Future is like one of my favorite movies, or I guess movie series. So I'm really excited about this when I saw it was available. So I did pick it up on Amazon. It came in like the next day. And now here we are opening it up. And we're about to have some awesome fun with this. There we go. And man, I am so excited. And in a lot of these, like you have the initial scene, but there's extra pieces like kind of hidden in the box that will be kind of like a more expanded version of it. So let me go ahead and just like unbox all this and I'll catch back up with you guys in a second. Alright, so I got pretty much everything unboxed. We have like the main courthouse right here with like the little courtyard area, or I guess like the town square, whatever you're going to call that. And then we have all these other bags of additional road pieces. We have more grass, we have more buildings. So we're going to go ahead and assemble all this. It does come with the instruction manual. But before we get started in that, there is the Back to the Future DeLorean. That thing looks so cool. Obviously it's really, really tiny. This is an all metal car, like the top and bottom is metal. And the tires are plastic, but it actually has like a lot of weight to it. And then we also have that Toyota pickup truck, which this thing is so iconic. I know a lot of people love that. This thing is so cool. Also, it is metal and metal with plastic tires. But man, I'm so excited to kind of get this built. So I'm going to go ahead, skip forward again until I get this whole thing set up and you guys can check it out. Alright, so I have the majority of it set up. So I actually have, this is like what you see in the package initially, which looks really cool. And then all of this right here is all additional that's kind of hidden in the box. They don't even realize. So there's a whole row of buildings right here, which is actually pretty cool. And then on the back side, I had like some black plastic pieces that kind of fill it in, make it look like all the windows and everything. But all of this isn't even like really seen in the main box itself. So it's kind of cool that you go from this size to then adding all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that into place now. I just wanted to show you guys like the kind of like what you see is not always what you get. You get a lot more to it. There we go. And all these pieces just kind of snap together. And then now we got the little wire. We can go ahead and bridge across over here. And that's where the car drives under right there. So that is really cool. I feel like there is a slight missed opportunity. I feel like they should have had like some like little flame trails or something where you can put the car down on top of like a little path of flames, or maybe even like a little movie theater here at the end. But I feel like honestly for what it is, this set is really nice, and for the cost it's actually, I mean, it's pretty awesome. I feel like there's a lot more detail than I honestly expected from the beginning, and I think this is a pretty cool set. And I mean, look at that. That thing looks awesome. It even has, like I said, the wire that goes across here and then goes all the way up to the top here. And I think it looks pretty good. And they even have the fancy little sign that says, like, welcome to Hill Valley. And right there in the front with, like, a lot of little details on it. Man, this whole set looks really cool. I really love that attention to detail. And something that I think would be really cool is if they did a futuristic one from the third movie, where maybe instead of having like the grass, they have like the pond and then have a little hoverboard or something. That would be cool. I think this is like the first Back to the Future set that they have done. So that'd be really cool if they did some more in the future with like a similar layout. And of course we got the car that's gonna go right through there, and then we have the truck. Let's go ahead and park it right here up front. But also we have this little set, which I do want to open up here. And let's see, this is like really sturdy packaging. Like I said, if you want to pick up either the set with the 3 cars, like from the first, second, and third movie, or you want to pick up this entire set, I will have links in the description down below. You guys can hop onto Amazon and pick these up. And let's see, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and pop out all 3 of these cars. So I believe the first car should be the same one that the set came with, because it is both cars. It's like from the first movie. So let me compare these real quick. Which, yeah, they look identical. Yeah, so nothing too crazy about the first one. Obviously, you guys have seen that. It looks pretty cool. And then let's go ahead and pop out the one that's in hover mode from the second movie. Man, that is so cool. And it even has like little tiny tires up underneath too, so you can still like roll it around if you wanted to. But there it is in hover mode. You can see like the tires are kind of like facing sideways, but then when you flip it over, you can see there's like little tiny tires on the kind of like further in, so it does actually roll around if you wanted it to. But when you're sitting on the side, it does look like it's actually hovering. You can see like the little wires and everything like in blue going down the side. Man, this thing is so cool, and it's so tiny as well. And then let's go ahead and check out the car from the third movie, which looks absolutely amazing. These are like really good detail for the size that they are. It's pretty impressive, but man, the thing looks really cool. Like I said, it's the red wheels, not the wagon wheel version, which that was later in the movie, but this still looks really, really awesome. So let me know what you guys think of this. And like I said, if you guys do want to pick up either, like I said, this entire set, or even like this little 3-pack, we can even put all the different versions on here if we wanted to. That'd be kind of cool to see that all lined up. But if you guys do want to pick up any of these, there is a link in the description down below. And hop on Amazon, grab them. Let me know what you guys think of the set, and if you guys plan on picking it up. Also, I do have like a couple of Fast and the Furious sets just like this, same brand and everything, with the, was it Jada or Jada, however you pronounce it. And I also have some of those videos on my channel. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you go down and hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and a bunch of other awesome kind of Hot Wheel die-cast collectibles in the future. So like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.